How to save a credit card in Grubhub. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Grubhub app on your device. Go to the store from where you want to order, and then add everything to the cart and press on View Order at the bottom. Here, click on Proceed to Checkout. After you've clicked on Proceed to Checkout, it will lead you to this page. This is payment method. Here, select credit card at the top. Then add your card number, your month, year, CVV of the card, billing, postal code, and if you want to save this credit card, turn on Save this credit card here as well and press on Continue to address at the bottom. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to save a credit card in Grubhub. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.